This is the Infinix X1 Pro. Infinix's first attempt at making PCs. You know how they make products look so good on billboard? Well, the Infinix X1 Pro looks just as advertised. This is a 14-inch laptop weighing 1.48 kg. 98% of the chassis, that's the casing, is made of aluminum, which has a two-textured backfill. And honestly, I feel this is one touch that gave it its premium look. And I would like to see how good this gets. Infinix did a good one with the design here, and it is well built for the market it has in mind. The display here is 1920 by 1080p Full HD IPS panel with Intel's Iris Plus graphics card with peak brightness of 300 nits, meaning you have a very crisp display, good colors, and you can also tilt the display up to 180 degrees. Yeah, but I don't think this is a very nice position to be using my laptop, so I'd rather not do that. Consuming content here was enjoyable, colors are really great, and it has 100% sRGB. If you need to read up on what all those mean, I'll still drop a link in the comment section below. For sound, you have DTS tuned speakers for a finer audio experience. As good as the sound, I still feel the best way to enjoy audio is by using headsets. Do you guys feel the same way? So you have 3 processors to choose from depending on why you're buying this or your budget. So this unit is running the Core i7, 4 cores, 8 threads, a base speed of 1.3 GHz and a turbo speed of 3.9 GHz. This has 16 gigs of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage. Now you also have an option of Core i3 or Core i5. The Infinix X1 Pro cuts through Premiere Pro, which is the app I use most of the time, pretty fine, though I had to use proxies at some point because I don't want any lag. But for day-to-day usages like playing games like Asphalt 9 and a few low-end games, doing research or watching a movie or scrolling the internet or a little bit of coding wouldn't hurt the laptop. It will run pretty fine. Now the cooling system on here is called the Ice Storm 1.0. Don't really know what's up with the naming, but so far so good. During my usage, it was pretty fine. I used it for tasks that didn't require any form of graphics, so all I did was edit a few videos, then render them out. It was pretty cool, and it stayed quiet and cool for most of my usage. Yes. So for battery, we have 4825 mAh battery, and this is charged via a 65 watt power brick. Now, one interesting part about this laptop or this PC is that you're not limited to just one charger. You can charge this via a Type-C cable, which is provided in the box by Infinix, or you can use the tiny pin direct current power brick to also, power cable to also charge this. For iOS, that's input, we got 2 USB 3.0 ports on each side, then USB 2.0 micro SD ports, 3.5mm headphone jack on the right side. Then to the left, we got HDMI ports, 2 Type-C ports, one of which you can use to charge the laptop or PC. I don't know whichever one you choose to pronounce it as. Is it PC you guys prefer to use or laptop? Let me know in the comment section below. And then we have this tiny button which turns off or on the camera. And recently there is this debate on why it is important for you to leave your camera on. Also share your thoughts about that in the comment section below. The camera is a 720p webcam. It has 2 mics on each side to make calling, that's video calling, easier. We also have Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 for connectivity. At first, I was afraid that the keyboard wasn't backlit. Turns out all you need to do is use the function key and space key to turn it on or off, also increase the brightness. Now, the keys themselves feel really comfortable to type with, good amount of key travel and easily clickable keys. The mouse pad is also clickable more to the lower part where you have the right and the left click. One little irrelevant detail I appreciate Infinix doing is making it possible to open this laptop with just one hand. Now moving on to security, apart from the password and all of that, you also have a fingerprint sensor on here to easily sign into your PC. Now, looking at this laptop or PC, one thing I have noticed while using this PC is that it is targeted more towards students than people who have high-end graphics requiring jobs. I mean, you could edit videos with this, but to an extent. So if you're a student or you have tasks which doesn't require high-end graphics, this is actually a perfect laptop. Now for the price that this sells for, do you think it's a good buy? Would you buy this, or do you plan on picking up one of these? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you enjoy watching this video, kindly hit the like button so that others can find this video. And if you have not subscribed, kindly do so. It means a lot to me. This is Tech Mayor. I will see you in the next one.